Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 45, and today's topic is how to add orbiting microdots animation in Oracle architecture diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the page you would be redirected to is a workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture, and there you would be redirected to the next page where you need to select the cloud provider. And as we are talking about Oracle in this demo, please select your cloud provider as Oracle. Over here I have already generated diagram for my use case. My use case was multi-region active passive architecture in Oracle, and this diagram got generated in just next 15 to 20 seconds. Today we are talking about the orbiting microdot animation. So simply go to the animation panel. You can click on orbiting microdots animation and it would start flowing around the edges like this. If you want to increase the number of dots, you can come here and increase. If you want to decrease, you can do this. If you want to increase the orbiting radius, you can increase it by here, otherwise decrease by going here. You can increase or decrease the dot size by using this bar. If you want to change the dot color, you can do this. If you want to increase the travel speed, you can do it through this bar, and decrease, if you can do it here. If you want to increase the orbit speed, come over here and increase. If you want to decrease, come over here and decrease. So basically adding an orbiting microdot animation in Airline Studio helps you make your diagram more interactive and visually